Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda 3 Touring Sedan, stock reference number 5476. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE Skyactiv-G 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, and a right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.